Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today I'd like to talk with you about wireless authentication protocols. There are three common wireless authentication protocols for wireless networks, typically in the home: WEP, WPA, and WPA2. WEP came out in 1997, but shortly thereafter there was discovered to be a lot of weaknesses in it. It had a weakness in its encryption algorithm. It used a static key, which was the same key over all the traffic, and it was just easily breakable in a matter of minutes once you find a network with that. In 2003, WPA came out, which was kind of a stopgap. It was WPA2 still in draft. They hadn't completed it yet, and it was much stronger. It used a temporal key integrity protocol, which means that the keys changed with every packet that went across the network, and it also made every connection have its own keys, so that unlike WEP, where you had one key, once you're in you can see everybody's traffic, with WPA, once you're in you have a private channel. And if you go to this website here, there's a lot of information on WEP. It's a very interesting history to read about the WEP protocol and how it got compromised. And if you go to this web page right here, go to Wikipedia and Google this, you can learn all about WPA and WPA2. When WPA2 came out, it uses AES encryption, and it's really strong. It's a very strong encryption protocol. It's really good. So if you have WEP devices, it's highly recommended to upgrade them to WPA. But if you don't have any, WEP is a better authentication protocol than nothing. But like with all security systems, the weakest link is really the people and how they configure the systems. If you go out and look in my wireless neighborhood right now, there are about, looks like 6 or 7 now wireless networks, and these two here are not protected, so someone can come along and hack into them if they wanted to very easily. They don't even have to hack in, they just get on there. There's probably a password somewhere. It's probably WEP, but they're easily hackable. So when you get a new network device, make sure you set it up. Don't get one with WEP, and when you do set it up, make sure you configure all the default the accounts and whatnot to new names and passwords, because if you get it online before you have the network locked down, someone can get in, because the passwords and account names are available on the internet. So again, if you have WEP, switch to WPA, WPA2, actually not WPA, WPA2, and change the passwords. And if you have WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup, don't use that either, because that exposes an 8-byte password, and that also is explained on this web page down here with the WPS pin recovery. There's lots of information on here about these protocols, so use WPA2 and you should be good to go. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today we talked about wireless authentication protocols. Thanks for watching.